Hello guys, we're here for IEM in Katowice, and as you can tell, we're not in Spodek anymore. We've left the arena to go visit the renowned coal mines of Katowice, so yeah, this video is coming at you from 320 meters underground. But luckily, I'm not alone. I've brought some friends. I've got here the beast that is the Helios 700, and if you're looking for a gaming laptop that can give any desktop PC a run for its money, then you've come to the right place. This one here is powered by a 9th gen Intel Core i9 processor, coupled with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 graphics card with fantastic memory and storage options available. Its gaming performance is unrivaled, but what really sets the Helios 700 apart is this bad boy right here, the Hyperdrift keyboard. This panel slides out to bring the keyboard closer to you and leaves the lower section to rest against the bottom of the device, so you have a very comfortable handrest. Arguably though, its best benefit is seen north of the keyboard, where this now empty space allows for airflow straight into the heart of the laptop. Now this one here is a personal favourite of mine, and I know it's a favourite for a lot of you too, the Helios 300. This laptop took 2019 by storm, and honestly, it's one I'd recommend for any gamer, whatever your requirements in a laptop. Inside it, we have a 9th gen Intel Core i7 processor, coupled with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 graphics card, all set on a full HD screen with a refresh rate of 144 Hz and with a 3-millisecond overdrive response time. And the Helios 300 comes in two size options, the 15.6 inch or this one here, the 17.3 inch. So if you prefer to game on a slightly larger screen, that's not a problem. Okay, that's all from us in the Katowice coal mines, but let me know what you think down below. Which Helios do you like the best? You can also check out the full product details at acer.com/predator. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.